remote control vehicles.
Yes.
We got 2 cars.
Yeah. And 2 helicopters. And 2 remotes, 2 monster modes, and 2 helicopter modes.
Yep. So we'll see how this works. If we can figure it out.
Stop!
Because I think helicopters will be very difficult. Let's do it!
Yeah!
The remote's actually kind of difficult. You go up. No, one is you start and then another one is go up and left and right.
Mommy.
It's kind of hard. That's pretty cool. Try to go up, Evan. Okay. Uh-oh, it's stuck. Which button you're holding? Let me see. Which button you're using? Just that one? Okay, do it again. Do it again. So you go all the way as high. Ah! Whoa! No. Let's put it back straight. Let's put it back straight. When it falls on the sides, then it won't work. So let's put it straight, and that will work. This is so cool. Oh! Yeah.
But how do you do it?
You gotta turn the car on too. You turn a remote and the car on.
Which one? There it is.
There it is. Okay, underneath. Let's see.
Whoa!
Oh my goodness. Ah! Whoa. Oh my goodness. Do it slowly, Evan.
Let's race together.
So, do you want to see the funniest thing ever?
Yes.
You know what's the funniest thing ever? Is that if we turn this car on, this car and this car will be controlled by your remote, just one remote, because both of these are the same car, so they will both work. I don't even have to turn this one on. You will only control both of these cars with one remote. So let's see something fun. Let's turn it on. Okay, let's do it.
Okay. Look up. Here it goes.
Oh my goodness. Ready? Ready, set, go! Okay, ready? Ah! Oh my goodness! This is too funny. One is stuck, one is going in circles. Go!
Screens go.
Okay.
Yes.
It's going in circles. Wow! Look at that! Look at that! One's done. you are ready to go down the stairs. Ready, set, go! Okay. Go. We got a regular helicopter and a police helicopter. Ew.
Oops!
You want to go up?
Press it!
I think the battery's dead. You started.